Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Planner for plan assignments and teams, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Microsoft Planner for plan assignments and teams, start by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Next, navigate to the team where you want to add the Planner tab. Click on the plus sign at the top of the channel to add a new tab. In the tab options, select Planner from the list. You will then be prompted to either create a new plan or use an existing one. If creating a new plan, give it a name that reflects its purpose. After naming the plan, click Save to proceed. If using an existing plan, simply select it from the drop-down menu. Once the plan is added, you can start to assign tasks to team members. To assign a task, click on Add Task and fill in the necessary details. Set due dates, and assign the task to team members by selecting their names. After completing the task details, click Add Task to save it. You can also create checklists, attach files, and add labels to organize your tasks better. To view progress, explore the charts or schedule view in Planner. Ensure that team members receive notifications for tasks assigned to them. Finally, encourage regular reviews of the plan during team meetings. This will help ensure everyone remains aligned and accountable for their assignments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.